Hi, today we're gonna make spare rib with curry sauce. We use about 2 pounds of spare rib, cut it in little pieces. Then also we're gonna use some carrot and potato with it. Cut it in tiny pieces like that. Same size, almost same size like the ribs. We're gonna cook the potato and the carrot first. The water boiling, so we'll put them in it. We cook it between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, that's around a little bit over 10 minutes. So we check it. You're using a fork, so you can punch in. You can punch in easy. See, like that. So you can pick this up. All right. Then now we're gonna cook the ribs. We use about 2 pounds of spare rib here, so we're gonna cook it around 10-15 minutes. Okay, like that. Then same thing, we're gonna cover them up and wait about 10-15 minutes. Hi, we cook it about 15 minutes right now, so we're gonna check it, see they are okay, they are tenders. You stick the fork in and see they can go in, easy. Yeah, I think it will be okay. All right, then it's cooked. All right, now we're gonna scoop them out. So sometimes they cook a little bit longer, depending on what kind of rib you're getting. Sometimes they are not as tough, sometimes they are tougher, so you have to check it. So we're gonna start cooking the rib right now. Okay, so we're gonna put some oil in it, 2 tablespoons oil. Okay, then we put the ginger, 4-5 pieces of ginger slice in it, and some cut up white onion, sliced onion, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. And we're gonna put the ribs and the potato carrots in it. So you're just browning up a little bit. Don't have to be real brown, but just a little bit. Okay, starting brown up a little bit right now. Okay, then now we're gonna put a little bit of white pepper in it. Just white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Make sure you get some oil in the pan, the bottom of the pan, because we're gonna fry up all the curry powder. So we just add a little bit oil in the bottom. See? Then now we're gonna put the curry in it. 2 tablespoons in it, and that because the oil will kind of burn them up. You need to have the oil in it, otherwise they burn. So after that, you're just browning them. Like that. See? And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I cook about 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. And now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay. Alright, then now it's ready and it's already cooked. You want to cook the potato kind of little bit, kind of soft, kind of mashed down a little bit. So you have to watch until it kind of mushy, little bit mushy on the potato. Okay. All right, then we can take this up. This is spare rib curry sauce.